Hello friends, I am Dr. Durgesh Sonare, currently working as an assistant professor in Government Medical College, Khandwa of Madhya Pradesh. Today I am going to talk about urticaria, what the condition is, what causes it, what can be done to treat, and some practical advice for living with urticaria. Urticaria is a common and affect about 20% of people at some point in their life. It is also known as hives or nettle rash. The short-lived swelling of urticaria is known as wheals, and typically any individual spot will clear within 24 hours, although the overall rash will last for longer. Angioedema, it is a form of urticaria in which there is deeper swelling in the skin, and swelling may take longer than 24 hours to clear. An affected individual may have urticaria alone, angioedema alone, or both together. Both are caused by release of histamine from a cell in the skin called mast cell. There are different types of urticaria, of which the most common form is idiopathic urticaria. In this type, no cause is usually identified, and patients often have hives and angioedema occurring together. Idiopathic urticaria is usually divided into acute and chronic forms. In acute urticaria, the episode lasts for a few days up to 6 weeks. In chronic urticaria, by definition, it lasts for more than 6 weeks. What causes urticaria? In idiopathic form of urticaria, it is unusual for an external cause to be identified. Almost any medication can cause acute urticaria. Commonly, painkillers, especially aspirin, and medicines like ibuprofen, antibiotics, especially penicillin and sulfa drugs, and vaccines are most likely to be responsible. What are the symptoms of urticaria? The main symptom is itch, but in angioedema, it is usually non-itchy. How will urticaria be diagnosed? Usually, its appearance or a description of it will be enough for your doctor to make the diagnosis. The vast majority of the people, no cause can be found, though your doctor will ask you some questions to try to find some identifiable cause. There is no special test that can be reliably identify the cause, but some tests may be done if your answer suggests an underlying cause, which may be suspected from your detailed history. Occasionally, if a trigger is suspected, a specific blood test to find the antibodies in your bloodstream or a skin prick test may be performed by a specialist. In chronic urticaria, possible trigger factor involved, for example, an underlying persistent infection caused by bacteria like Helicobacter pylori or Streptococcus, or by parasite, thyroid disease, intolerance to body's own tissue called autoimmunity, and intolerance reaction like pseudoallergy or insect bite. The indivisible form of disease are triggered by cold, heat, sun, pressure, friction, exercise, or other influences. Can urticaria be cured? The treatment suppresses the condition rather than cure it. In about half of the people affected by chronic idiopathic urticaria, the rash lasts for 6 to 12 months and then gradually disappears. It can, however, last considerably longer. In any one of the individual, the course of urticaria is unpredictable. What is the treatment for urticaria? An antihistamine block the effect of histamine and reduce itching and rash in most of the people, but not relieve urticaria completely. If urticaria occurs frequently, it is the best to take antihistaminics regularly every day. If antihistaminic tablets are not helpful, then other drugs like oral steroids and other immunosuppressive drugs may be helpful. idiopathic, what can I do? It is important to avoid everything that may worsen the urticaria, such as heat, tight clothing, and alcohol. Avoidance of food coloring agent, preservatives may be helpful in the rare instance where they have proved to be a problem. Thank you friends. I hope that this talk is beneficial for you.
To book an appointment with a cosmetologist or a dermatologist in your area, please visit www.skinandhairacademy.com.